Can you believe I have created this client managing system with the team members and the task and the progress updates using just one single prompt and the Frontly AI. So let me show you. So this is the prompt I have used here. I have just copied this prompt or generated this prompt using the chat GPT, then enter this prompt on the Frontly, and now within the few steps it has generated the full CRM, I think around the in 5 minutes. And this is the data and this is the result app I got it here. So if you want to know it how you can also do that or generate these kind of the CRMs to managing your projects, managing your team members, or managing your clients for your agency or your company, then stay tuned and I will show you everything. So this is the tool I'm talking about. This name is the Frontly. It's currently available on the AppSumo lifetime deal. I will talk about the pricing and the deal and the features you are getting in the few minutes. But first let me show you how this platforms looks like and how it's work. Okay, so if I go back to the its platform, this is the platform looks like. Here are the app section you will see, and here it will show you all the apps you have generated. There are the some other features as well in the current app. It will show you like the pages, users, forms, and other things like that. There's also the expert section available, means somehow you are getting any problem while generating your app, then you can ask for the expert. This is the project section. It will show you all of your projects that you have done with the experts. Okay, if I go to the experts master place, you can see these are all the experts of this platform. You can just contact any of them and they will help you. But don't worry, in this tutorial video of the Frontly, I will show you and tell you how you can generate your own web app for managing your clients, services, or the team members. So now let me show you a tutorial. And I'm using here ChatGPT to generate the prompt in the more detailed information, so I can paste it here in the Frontly and it can give it the data or the information in the more accurate way for my web app. Okay, so you can copy this task as it is, and you can see here, can you generate a prompt for me for this? And the same thing I have done it here. Now generate a prompt for this. I want to open a social media marketing agency to provide services for social media. So I want a web app for my client for manage tasks and the this is the my team. Okay, my team for manage tasks and the clients to monitor their work, and I want a feature where client can get login with their given login details. So this is the kind of the web I want to develop with the Frontly, and this is the prompt I got it. So now let me copy it here, get back to the Frontly and paste this prompt here. Now let's click on this submit, and now its AI is going to analyze all these things and will generate all the important pages for as the spreadsheet for the app. And you can see this is the spreadsheet it is generated, where the social media campaign, clients, task, progress, updates, and the insights. I can also add more pages here if I want, but I don't want it. Now let me go to the next step here. So this is the seed column, so I will click here, and now it is generating the seed column. So these are all the seed columns for the different pages. For this seed columns for the social media campaigns, here are the columns for the client, this is for the task, this is the progress, and this is the insight. Now let's click on the sample records. Now Frontly AI doing is generating the sample records for these columns, so we can get a visual data, and after that we can just remove that data and replace with our own client data. So basically it is generating a demo kind of the app that is the ready to use. Okay, we got a error, but no problem, we will click here on the run request again. Sometimes it happens because it can't able to process the data, or it take long time to requesting that feature. Okay, so we will just click on our clicking again on the run request again, and in the end we will got our desired results. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this error. Here and here you can see we got our demo data. These are the data for this page client. This is for the task, this is for product updates and progress updates, and this is for the insight. Now let's go to the next pages. Now it is generating the pages with all the data it is now generated. Okay, let's click on the page blocks, and step by step we are completing all these things here. Okay, you can see here the check mark is appearing, and now our pages blocks are generated. We can just check out here, and we can always add the manually, but I wanted AI to do all the things. Now let's click on the preview app, and to this task we have completed all these steps to the 6th number, and now the 7th step we have to preview. Okay, again we got that error, but no worry, let's click on the run request again, and now it will start. Okay, let's click on the again. You have to do a lot of the times if you are getting this error, but no worries, just click on the run again. Okay, and now our app is generated, and you can see here it is giving you the preview how your app is look like. This is the social media campaigns. You can see this is the sale, summer sale campaign, date, end date, platform, objectives, and the status. And here I can check out the task like the generating graphics, write copy, monitor campaigns. This is the client's information. I have the 3 clients in this web app as the demo. This is a demo you can always replace. Okay, then this is the task assigned to the different team members, pending, progress, completed, progress updates, insights, and the client portals. Okay, so all these things just with this single prompt using the Frontly I have generated, and the same thing you can do with using this platform and the ChatGPT prompt. You have to write the prompt in really detailed information. That's why I am using the ChatGPT here. It will help me to do that easily, and in the matter of few minutes I have my own CRM to manage my services, manage my clients, or manage my products or the team members under the one hood. Okay, this is the power of Frontly I want to show you here. Okay, so if I talk about its pricing, its lifetime deal available on the app Sumo starting from the just $59. So the pricing is really affordable in the features we are getting. And if I talk about the limits or the credits we are getting, let me also show that. So you can see we are getting the 5,000 users credit or the limits. This is the really good part, because we can just add up to the 5,000 clients as the visitors. This is the really best part for me to managing my different kind of the CRM clients, projects, or you can just assume what I'm trying to say here. Okay, and there are the 10 AI tokens per month, means you can around create up to the 10, or you can use its app builder dashboard up to the 10 times. This is the tokens I'm talking about, and here you are getting the 10 tokens per month, unlimited pages you can create, and you are going to get white labeling, means means in this dashboard you will not see anywhere on of the Frontly logo or the branding. This is what the white labeling sounds like. Okay, and you can create the up to the 5 CRMs, client management system, or you can, what I say, 5 apps you can create, no matter what kind of the apps you want to create here. If I scroll above, you can see previously creating this tutorial on the my social media marketing agency. I have also created an app on the job seeking person for to manage their job interviews on the different company. This is the prompt I have generated using the ChatGPT, and I have used to test it out the Frontly for that task. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want to check out the Frontly lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. This is the really cool platform if you know how to use it, and that's why I thought I should create a detailed tutorial video with the ChatGPT and the Frontly, how you can create or generate the CRMs for your products or the clients or the services, to managing your team or clients under the one hood. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.